Hi there fellow Excel enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic lined up for you. We will be diving into the powerful world of Excel and exploring one of its lesser known but incredibly useful function, the TOCOL function. If you have ever found yourself struggling with data sorting, then TOCOL function is here to save the day. It's like having a superhero at your disposal ready to tackle your data related challenges effortlessly. So buckle up, hit the like button and let's get right into it.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
Let's first learn the syntax of this function. The syntax of the TOCOL function is equal to call bracket start array comma ignore comma scan by column bracket close. In this syntax, ignore and scan by column are the optional arguments. So let's understand this function with practical example. I have taken some name and I wanted to arrange these names in a single column. For this purpose, we will use the TOCOL function. So how we will apply it? Let's begin. To apply it, I will write equal to call bracket start, and first I have to select the table array or the data that I want to line it in a single column. So I select the data, close the bracket and press enter. Now you can see that all the names are arranged in a single column, but we have a problem. We got the 0 where there is an empty cell, because here after the Hassan there is an empty cell, so it write it as a 0, and similarly after Ali there is an empty cell, so after Ali there is another empty cell, as well as it also includes the error. For example, in this cell I have error, so it is appeared in the list also. So how we can avoid these empty cells and error? Let's see. Now to do so, we are moving towards the second argument in our formula. So I will delete this bracket and put comma, and now the second argument in this formula is the ignore. For this ignore, we can choose different options. For example, if I write 0 here and then close the bracket, it returns the same as we have. So 0 is actually the default value. If we write it or not, there is no use of it. Now if I write 1, you can see that all the empty cells are removed, but the error is still in my list. Now if I write 2 in this formula, then you can see that all the empty cells are here, but the error is removed from the list. And the third option that I can set is writing 3. If I write 3, I will remove the empty cells as well as the error from the list. So when I press enter, you can see that all the names are arranged in a single column. There is no empty cell and there is no error. Another thing to notice is that the data is arranged row wise. You can see that the names in the first row, that is Mohit, Rahman, Akash and Hamid, comes first. After that, the data in the second row is set, that is Hassan, Aslam and Kabir. So what if I need it arranged in a column wise, like Mohit, Hassan, Ali and then Rahman, then Akash, Aslam and then Hamid and Kabir. So arrange it column wise, I have to give another argument. For this purpose, I'll put another comma after 3, and then I have to specify either I want to scan it by column or by row. By default, it scans row wise. Its value is set to false. To set it true, I will write here true. So when I write true, it will scan the data column wise. So now I press enter. Now you can see that the data is set column wise, like Mohit, Hassan, Ali comes first, after this Akash and Aslam and then Hamid and Kabir. So you can arrange your data row wise or you can arrange it column wise by opting the third argument in this function. And there you have it. The TOCOL function open up a world of possibilities in Excel. It saves time as well as reduce the chances of error. As always, thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Excel tutorials. Drop any comment or question you have in the section below and we will be happy to help you out. Until next time, happy excelling.